Experiencing issues with your ALDI Mobile hotspot? You're not alone. As of October 2025, most hotspot problems stem from APN misconfigurations, especially affecting iPhone and Android users. Mobile hotspot tethering allows a smartphone to share its cellular data connection with other devices like laptops or tablets through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. The access point name, or APN, is a crucial setting that tells your device how to connect to the carrier's network for data access. Misconfigurations can prevent tethering from working. ALDI Mobile uses Verizon's network, so the correct APN settings are crucial. The standard tethering APN is Internet, with username and password set to none, and specific MMSC and MMS proxy settings. ALDI Mobile leverages Verizon's extensive network infrastructure for reliable coverage across the United States. Android phones allow direct APN editing in settings, making fixes straightforward. iPhones restrict APN changes for security reasons, often requiring workarounds. Common problems include carrier restrictions on data caps that may lead to slower speeds or block tethering, especially after reaching limits like 22 gigabytes on unlimited plans. Let's get your hotspot working. First, ensure you have a hotspot add-on starting at $10 per month and sufficient data remaining on your plan. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, tap Mobile Network, and select access point names. Verify the APN is set to Internet. If not, edit the existing APN or add a new one with these settings: no username or password, MMSC as https://ms.vtext.com/servlet/MMS, and MMS proxy as 205.239.233.136.81. On iPhones, direct APN editing is restricted. Try resetting network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Also ensure your iOS is updated to at least 18.2. For persistent issues, some users find success with carrier-specific APN override profiles available through online forums or communities. For persistent problems, contact ALDI Mobile Support. They may have device-specific solutions or be able to remotely diagnose APN issues. Consider using the new AI-driven support tools in the ALDI app for automatic fixes. During times of high network traffic, such as during hurricane season, towers may be overloaded, leading to connection problems. In these cases, try restarting your device, toggling airplane mode on and off, or waiting until the network is less congested.